Hello, welcome back, guys. So, in order to use DAX, it's not necessary that you have to memorize the formula and write the formula from scratch like how we did. Now we have ChatGPT and other LLM models, large language models, which can be helpful to create the formulas for DAX. So, yes, no need to memorize each and every DAX formulas. All you need to do is write to ChatGPT in a very simple way that you need a DAX formula and mention the column names which would be used to calculate, right, and what you need to achieve. So I have created a simple prompt. You can use this as well. I will make sure that the Word document that I have attached to this video, which has a few more formulas that I created with the help of ChatGPT itself, right? And we can see those formulas. We would use those, but I have used ChatGPT to get those formulas. Even I don't remember the DAX formulas. Whenever I try to use, I usually go to ChatGPT or any other, you know, AI platform which could give me that details. So let's see the prompt, how I have mentioned in Power BI report, my data table name is sales. So you need to make sure that your data table name is sales. So now it's table 1. Let's rename it to sales because table 1 is very generic. I will make sure that the data table name is sales. So now the data table name is sales. I have column sales amount and discount percent. Yes, we have it, isn't it? So we have discount percent and sales amount. Now, how I can derive the discount amount is by multiplying the discount column with the sales amount, and I'm going to get the formula and the discount amount, and you could find the formula here. So ChatGPT has given me the formula. Let's try to use this and see if it works. If it doesn't work, obviously we can do some tweaks, some changes so that we get the desired output. So now you all know what to do, right? You need to click on new column, and in new column we will try to enter the formula here. I can straight away copy and paste it and try what exactly it provides. So now you can see that it has given me the accurate discount amounts. So 0.1 is 10% discount, right? So if 10% discount is calculated on 55,000, it would be 5,500. On this row, we don't have a discount, so it shows blank. This row again, it's 10% of 55,000, it's 5,500. Then 5% of 7,000 is 350. 5% of 10,000 is 500. 55,000, 10% is again 5,500. The discount is 0%, so 0. And for 22,000, 5% is 1,100. So ChatGPT have given me the DAX formula perfectly, isn't it? So this is how you can leverage ChatGPT or any AI platform in order to create DAX formulas, and you don't have to remember or create these formulas from scratch. Hope this would help, and we are going to see few more formulas in the next sessions. See you there.